Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Volkswagen Connect. Start by turning on the car and enabling Bluetooth on your phone. First, open the Volkswagen Connect app and sign in or create your Volkswagen ID. Next, follow the app prompts to add a vehicle by entering the VIN or scanning the QR code in the infotainment system. Allow permissions for location and Bluetooth when asked to ensure a stable connection. Once the app finds your vehicle, tap the pairing request and confirm the PIN shown on both screens. Keep your phone near the infotainment system during the handshake to avoid interruptions. If pairing fails, restart the app and the car system and retry the process. Some models require entering the VIN manually, so have it ready from your registration or the sticker inside the door jamb. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite fits nicely in a glove box and makes waiting for updates far less boring, plus it's great for road trip downtime. I've linked a deal in the description along with other useful links you might want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If connection issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the app and then retry pairing. Check for software updates in the infotainment settings and install them if available. Verify that no other Bluetooth devices are blocking the connection by turning off nearby devices temporarily. If problems continue, contact your dealer or support with your VIN and a brief description of the issue so they can assist further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.